My name is Urmila Nivangune and today's topic is garbage collection in Java. Today's date is 5th of January 2022. So let's start our topic, that is garbage collection in Java. So basically garbage means wasted part or the things which are not in use or maybe not in use for future. So that things we cannot keep in our house. Suppose there may be sabji, vegetables, etc., wrappers. So we can't keep them in our house because that garbage or wastage occupies some space, and in order to free or save that space, we have to clear our garbage or our wastage regularly. So the thing garbage collection in Java, it's just like that scenario. So garbage collection in Java is done in JVM. The JVM runs bytecode and collects the information of that bytecode. It collects reference variables, reference objects, and the objects which are not reference, that objects are nothing but are garbage or wastage. That garbage occupies some space, and because of this, other memory or other references get get no memory for processing, and that to achieve more efficiency, garbage collection is used in Java. So garbage collector comes into the picture and removes the objects which are not currently in used, or which are referenced, which don't have any reference. So GC method and finalize method are two methods which are used in garbage collection. Garbage collection is done in Java automatically. If there is no automatic garbage collection, then we have to define or use finalized method. When we and that garbage finalized method invoke each time before garbage collect is collected, or that garbage is nothing but a object. When uh, objects are created with new, that means objects are created on heap memory, that objects are only get destroyed or get collected as a garbage by the JVM automatically. If we don't create or referenced any object with new keyword, then that object is saved, or it remains in our memory. In order to remove or destroy that objects, we have to define finalize method. And now garbage collection Java is a process by which Java program perform automatic memory management. Garbage is simply means wastage. So we will see advantages of garbage collection. First one is it makes Java more memory efficient, because garbage collector removes the unreferenced objects from heap. Then automatically done, the garbage collection process get automatically done, so uh, we don't need to make some extra efforts. So there are processes or there are ways to make or to or to um, be objects are unreferenced. So first is by nulling the objects. By nulling the objects means we have to uh, give the value to object as null. Null means nothing in that object, so that object get collected or destroyed by the garbage collector or by the garbage collection concept. Then second one is by assigning a reference to another object. Suppose we are assigning the reference which is assigning which is referencing one object, and we are assigning that reference to another object, then that our first object have no reference, so that reference, that object get destroyed by the garbage collector. The last one is anonymous object. Anonymous, as we know, anonymous classes have just one time execution. That objects must be get destroyed by garbage collection once they get executed. Thank you.